Alright guys, welcome. We've been asked to factorize 5x squared plus 17xy plus 6y squared. Quickly, we dive into our work by writing solution. We'll copy out our expression. We'll have 5x squared plus 17xy plus 6y squared. Now, in solving this, we treat the equation or the part of our equation that appear in square of two different functions as one square of the function of x. And also take note of the fact that our a in this expression, our a is equal to plus 5, our b is equal to plus 17, and our c is equal to plus 6. Now we look for the value of AC, reason being that our value of a is not equal to 1. Therefore, our value for AC is equal to 5 times 6, and this will give us 30. Having gotten 30 as our value for AC, we look for the factors of 30, our value for AC, which will give us B. And the values of 30, the factors of 30 that will give us B, which is 17, are plus 2 and plus 15, because 2 times 15 gives us 30, and 2 plus 15 gives us 17. Hence, we have it that 5x squared plus 17xy plus 6y squared is equal to 5x squared plus 15xy plus 2xy plus 6y squared. 15xy plus 2xy takes the place of 17xy. Now, solving for that, we factor out 5x squared. Sorry, we factor out 5x from 5x squared and plus 15xy. This gives us 5x bracket open x plus 3y bracket close. We factor out 2y from plus 2xy plus 6y squared. This gives us plus 2y bracket open x plus 3y bracket close. Solving further, we end up having x plus 3y bracket close bracket open 5x plus 2y bracket close. This gives us our answer as bracket open x plus 3y bracket close bracket open 5x plus 2y bracket close. Thank you.